I'm Reema from GuruNanda team. Today, I'm going to discuss that how can tongue cleaning improve oral hygiene. Brushing and flossing are essential oral hygiene basics that help prevent tooth decay and gum disease. While many people pay careful attention to their teeth and gums, but the tongue is often neglected. However, this last surface of the mouth should be cleaned on a daily basis. Doing so can help many people enjoy better oral health. Tongue cleaning is an important yet often overlooked aspect of oral hygiene. Why is it important to clean your tongue? The textured surface of the tongue allows it to collect and hold on to bacteria and small particles. Over time, these substances accumulate and form a multi-layered biofilm on the tongue. Water alone is not enough to penetrate the biofilm and sweep away the bacteria within. For this reason, the tongue should be cleaned frequently. The surface of the tongue is covered with papillae, which can trap bacteria, food particles, and dead cells. This buildup can lead to bad breath and contribute to oral infections. Regular tongue cleaning helps remove this buildup, reducing the bacterial load in the mouth. By eliminating the bacteria and debris on the tongue cleaning can gently improve breath freshness. Coated tongue can dull taste sensations. By removing the coating, tongue cleaning can enhance your ability to taste food, making meals more enjoyable. Regular tongue cleaning can help prevent various oral health issues, including gum disease and tooth decay. The bacteria that accumulate on the tongue can cause plaque buildup on teeth, leading to cavities and periodontal disease. A clean tongue appears healthier and more vibrant, leading to an overall positive impression of one's oral health. Tongue cleaning should be integrated into a daily oral hygiene routine that includes brushing and flossing. Use a tongue scraper, which is designed to remove debris and bacteria effectively. Start from the back of tongue and gently pull forward. After cleansing, rinse your mouth with water or an antibacterial mouthwash for extra protection. As a dentist, I recommend incorporating tongue cleaning into your daily oral hygiene routine. It plays a vital role in maintaining fresh breath, reducing bacteria, and enhancing overall oral health. By making tongue cleaning a habit, you can significantly improve your dental care and well-being. Remember, a clean tongue not only improves oral hygiene, but also enhances your sense of taste. As you care for your smile, keep in mind your oral health is a reflection of your overall well-being. Thank you.